अस्सलामुअलैकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू टू दिस चैनल एंड टू दिस स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट सीरीज़। हमारे सीरीज़ में जो भी क्वेश्चंस यूज़ किए गए हैं वो रीसेंट एग्ज़ाम से लिए गए हैं ताकि आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकें विद रेलिवेंट वोकैबलरी। क्योंकि अगर टॉपिक से रिलेटेड वोकैबलरी होगी आपके पास तो आप ख़ुद भी अपना आंसर डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं। अच्छा, इसमें कुछ मैंने चेंजेस किए हैं प्रैक्टिस के लिए ताकि प्रोनाउंसिएशन का इशू भी सॉल्व हो जाए। पहले आप क्वेश्चन सुन के सैम्पल आंसर की मदद से आंसर देने की कोशिश करें एंड देन फिर मैं आंसर दूंगी ताकि जो भी कोई प्रोनाउंसिएशन है या किसी वर्ड की प्रोनाउंसिएशन में प्रॉब्लम है वो भी क्लियर हो जाए। और साथ में रिलेटेड वोकैबलरी पे भी ध्यान रखना है ताकि टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कौन से वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस और ईडियम्स यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं। आइट स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 वैसे तो इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट होता है, 4 से 5 मिनट का रहता है, लेकिन एग्ज़ामिनर को समझ में आ जाता है कि आप कितनी वर्थ रखते हैं। और इसमें बस ये आपने ध्यान रखना है, इसमें थोड़ा केयरफुल इस चीज़ के लिए रहना है कि टू दी पॉइंट आप अपना आंसर दें और ज़्यादा एलेबोरेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। रेलिवेंट ही आप उसे आंसर दें, टू दी पॉइंट आंसर दें और वोकैबलरी जो है टॉपिक से रिलेटेड वो ही यूज़ करें, जिससे चांसेस बढ़ेंगे कि आपका स्कोर भी इंक्रीज़ होगा। चलिए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। What's the most popular means of transportation in your hometown? Without any doubt, I would say motorbikes. Almost everyone travels by motorbike. The reason why motorbike is so popular, I think, is due to their reasonable price and convenience, because their size, color, and quality and variety of choices is available for everyone. How often do you take buses? Almost every day. Since my house is so far away from my university, it's impossible for me to travel by motorbike. In addition, the air is heavily polluted by exhaust fumes and traffic jams always take place, especially during peak hours. Thus, I'd prefer to take the bus to save time, save gasoline, and causing less pollution. Can you compare the advantages of planes and trains? Planes and trains regularly depart and arrive on time. Plus, there are many convenient facilities catering particularly to certain groups of passengers. However, traveling by plane is clearly time saving and enjoyable in terms of onboard services like meals or comfortable seats, while traveling by train offers you a chance to see the world outside, admire the views from their seats. It's totally a great experience for most train travelers. Is driving to work popular in your country? Although cars themselves and gasoline are expensive, a lot of people prefer driving, possibly because driving is more comfortable in such weather with such polluted and noisy surroundings. Do you think people will drive more in the future? If you are talking about India, no, I don't think so. It's possible even in the future. Cars and gasoline are becoming unaffordable for many people these days. Plus, the transport infrastructure in the various regions in India is not appropriate for cars. Would you ride bikes to work in the future? Definitely not. Riding a bike means you are exposing yourself to the unpredictable weather and to air pollution. What is worse, I am afraid the main streets or the highway are too dangerous for cyclists as cars, motorbikes, and buses will travel at a very high speed. Therefore, I prefer using a car or taking the bus. What will become the most popular means of transport in your country? I think buses will take the lead. You can travel the distance without much worries about ticket price or rainy weather outside. Also, new buses now offer better services like comfortable seats for the elderly or good air conditioning systems. Do you prefer public transport or private transport? I think I'd prefer public transport. It's much more inexpensive, and because it can contain a large number of people, it helps ease the intensity of traffic jams during peak hours and reduce the greenhouse gas emission caused by vehicles. Private transportation is more costly in the terms of fees, taxes, and gasoline. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel because more essential content is on the way. Thanks for today and best of luck with your exam preparation. Take care.